what did happen for March this year?
Okay. The thing wey matter be say on the March of this year, where money scarcity dey, so I used to sell minerals and galas. So and that place where I come dey sell, people no see money dey buy minerals because of based on say no money. So when they come like this, they come dey tell me say, madam, go get POS now so that you go use am. May we use am dey buy this food for you now. So I come dey say okay, say I go try. Say ma dey say I go try. So like so they come dey worry me be customers. So when they transfer small, so they go say so people wey no know how to transfer, they say they need POS to withdraw. So I come say okay, I will go. So I come go Access Bank. When I go Access Bank like this, I reach customer care. So when I reach there, I say I wan collect POS. They say ma go up, go meet customer care. They say they will give me POS. So when I come reach there, the lady say ma sit down. As I sit down, the lady say okay, say come say wetin I want do. I say I wan collect POS. He say okay, come bring her form. I think say he wan give me the form to fill or carry go fill and bring back. As he bring the form like this, come dey ask me my name. I tell him my name, my everything, my address. So he come dey ask me say okay, where my PVN? I say I no carry PVN for head though. Say I no BVN, yes, BVN. I say I no carry am for head. He say okay, make I give am my phone. I think say like so then they do am. Come collect my phone. I get 100 phone. That time my phone never spoil. So I come give am the phone. As I sit down, he dey open and they search and they write. I dey look am because I think say na the BVN dey write. So when they write, she come and know say he don connect my phone number to her own phone number. As he write finish, he come tell me say I don write finish. He come give me my phone back. I say what about the POS now? He say ma go, they go send me message. If I see message, I will now come to collect the POS. But by then, I don't know if he don't lock my message for me to receive message. Don't convert am to his phone number.
So she comot your phone number, put her on.
Put her on. So I no come dey receive any alert again. As I go back, people wey dey still dey buy the gala dey transfer small.
Say sausage roll.
Yes, sausage roll. So as then they buy the sausage roll, people wey dey transfer small, I no dey see any alert. They go tell me say, madam, I don send am. I say I no see anything. I no know say the lady don divert am. So like 2-3 days, I no see any alert. Weekend now, like Thursday, Friday, I come run go say I no see alert. So why I go there and he come say ma go meet customer care. The lady, he say ma go meet customer care. As I go customer care. So the lady from another lady again, he come they ask me say whether I change my phone number. I say no. For the lady to tell me say yeah, in colleague don't change my phone number because I tell her say I go do POS for up. He no tell me anything. He come say ma write my name. He come say he don't do. I go receive alert. Whereas I no receive any alert till on Monday. I come say how you come manage remover? He no talk. So I come as I dey shout there like so they come go meet manager. Manager can't come out. As manager can't come out like this, when they tell him, say, they don't thief my money for you. They don't thief my money. He can't ask the guy, say, how you can't do? As they are seeing the answer, he can't tell me, say, ma go one side. You know, carry me go along. She and the patient can't they talk. So as they talk finish, they can't come me. Say, okay, madam, I come. Make I no worry. They go pay me my money back. Make I go because they go find the fraud. The fraud wey thief my money, they go trace am. Where they trace am to 1 week, make I give them 1 week because not go be today. So I come back. So I can't give them like 1 week. Come back. Me and my husband. As we come back, I can't carry one man one note for my company. In a lawyer, I just carry and me follow me. So as we come, they tell the man and my husband. They tell the lawyer say they go divide the money into 2. The patient go pay me half. I go just lose half. I say I no fee.
So why you go lose half? The patients of the
that's what the manager said.
Pay half. And again, why would she pay half if she know they guilty?
Yeah. Wait, now the manager now they tell you this one.
Yes, now he talk so. So I go leave.
Okay, so pause, no vex. Now, country people, when I hear now. She go get POS. They got to tell us she go upstairs. She go upstairs. The girl there, we handling her patients. Tell us
Customer care person.
Customer care for them when they give POS. So okay, what if your BV and the woman don't know? He said, don't forget her. Now the girl come collect her phone. She don't know to the girl press and do. But she realized when they don't withdraw her money, enough come out. Say they change her phone number.
Because she know they receive alert
She
for anyone.
So they can't make her the worry now. Now she can't go bank. Now they can't do it to them too. You can't receive one alert. Say the alert at 300,000. And now the last money they don't withdraw. Meanwhile, how about they withdraw from your account?
They withdraw all of them.
Yes,
all the amount.
Yeah.
Hold the account statement here, country people.
Yes, from which now we calculate for you. The money went did that account before this operation.
Operation 2x0.
Now 1.32 1,302,601 naira 30 kobo.
Oh, you
hear them again? Before this operation, take place so on the 12th of March, this particular year, 2023, when we did the amount now 1,302,671 naira 30 kobo. Then when they finish whitewashing this woman now, they don't clear 1,113,520 naira from the woman account, meaning they whitewash the woman.
Okay, so let the manager come tell you say they go pay half.
Yes.
The patients go pay
half. So I say no, say I no fit leave my money like that. I can't go say I go Alagbo, go carry Alagbo come. Where I go Alagbo come, I pay the money, going to 50,000. So when Alagbo come, he carry like 4 men come, the man, they have like 4 men. As they sit down there, like so patient come carry one number, come carry phone, come say they want to speak with you, police. So police now collect the phone. I don't know who he get. They can't talk. That there was made they no fit carry the patient. So they no arrest them. They no carry him. We go. Like that money can't go. I can't leave that one again. Can't go another one again at Panti. Can't go Panti. That one say go use 150,000.
This one a police officer.
Now police they,
yes.
And then they charge you so.
I say go.
To do their work.
Yes, to pay 150,000. I can't pay again 150,000.
Mobilization fee.
Can't give them plus the money for whether for anything. So when I can't give them the money, they go that way we dey. Go. I no see what he do. If I call, I go say he will get back to me. He will get back to me. So that is why I say let me come here for them to help me.
No, that should come the powerhouse.
The powerhouse, backyard.
So me like Robos. Me like Now, the woman, because of say she forget her BV and the POS get take the opportunity, comot the woman phone number, put another phone number. In fact, from the account statement country people where we get when the transaction begin to take place from 12th of March here in 2023. One name consistently. One neighbor Maxwell. They transfer again to neighbor Maxwell. Another transaction again to neighbor Maxwell. They had to transfer to one neighbor Maxwell. That neighbor Maxwell is supposed to go prison. Neighbor Maxwell. The girl again for the bank transfer again to another neighbor Maxwell, the same neighbor 100 The neighbor Maxwell just a jollof. It transfer another 100K to the neighbor Maxwell. That is NEBO Maxwell. I don't say they hear your name now for radio. They can't transfer again 100K something to neighbor Maxwell. It transfer again 13,000 naira to OPay account.
You know, once when they pay me pass for all these kind of issues, man. You when it be professional, when it did there to serve people, because now the people money now let you they alive there. Your customer will come, you will take advantage of their ignorance.
Ignorance, I said the woman, no the sharp. What's the name of this bank again? What's the name of the bank?
The name is Access Bank.
Access Bank.
At Bagada.
You sure said Access Bank?
Yes, Access Bank.
You there sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, make I check your statement. Oh. Oh, that's bank. Up here, though. So now the same location I give you this account statement.
That was yes. When I go now, they can bring the.
Where your money lost?
There, yes.
Oh, okay.
So the bank manager say we pay me half. He say we pay me half out of the money. That we lose half. I say I cannot take that. So before I can't go to Alagbo. Alagbo say we help me.
So hold on, you don't talk that one. So Alagbo don't do anything.
You don't do anything.
Even the police officer for Banti
don't do anything.
So the police officer for Banti collect 150.
Collect 150.
The one for Alagbo collect 50
Almost
back. So that's 200k. So now 200k
plus 1.1 million.
Add 200k to the 1.5.
Now even 1.5 now.
Up here, don't talk. So what do you see? Just society is only here to my backyard underground only the light talk. We don't keep quiet about them for some reasons. So police way their work now to make sure say they protect life and property.
You demobilize them.
And other things.
You need to mobilize them.
You could mobilize them.
You never go report case for police say crime that it I'm robber the rough for some place so and so place. There's may buy fuel for their motor.
Zero charge. So Alaba don't do anything for you.
No, you know
they receive call and lock up.
Go they write, say me we write. You go bring paper, we carry. Go, not if I call him again, he will get back to me.
Back to you. Anyway, that are some of the not every
not
police
be all exactly
like that.
Now the caveat be that
for this Lagos, I don't meet good policemen. We get respect. We sabi their work.
Now few of them they swear the good work of the good police people there. And those few be like say that they spread where.
Yes, like because they allow them spread that they cut their wings.
Where so that they spread them where they the good name for different places.
Okay, let me call them
Book up PRO, Abi. The spokesperson for
I need to call these police officers. No, they'll be waste of my time.
But
this patience of a girl, no call her. The patience of a. Should I have number this?
Yes.
So the patients we gather. God, see, me that they informed though. If let's going to do some program to the sensitize on that.
Awareness,
we'll do some awareness in how. Don't go carry your phone. Go give customer care person for inside bank. He give you he go collect everything plus OTP when they come. The moment anybody get hold of your phone, whether they take send the OTP in, I'm gonna go change everything for you. You are finished. So because the woman sees this woman, now you know send to her, we don't sabi all those things. Now patience, you gotta leave her. You transfer money on the. In fact, this transaction start from 12th
of March
to which day? 9th.
To 15th.
To 15th. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Now, am I on to Patience?
Yes, you are.
Patience, my name is Tombo Bele. Me and Robo Smart. We are calling from Wazobia FM Lagos.
Okay.
We are where you work for Access Bank. Right?
Okay, go ahead.
Hello, ma. I said we are where you work for Access Bank. Allen Avenue, Ikeja.
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay, which of the Access Bank do you work for?
Bagada.
Bagada. Okay. Access Bank Bagada.
Okay.
Okay. So Princess, so one woman bring one matter come meet Wazobia FM for Lagos concerning how her 1 point something million dollar come off her account after she give you her phone for March this year to take help her because she won't collect POS. Her name is Victoria Usoma.
Okay.
Yes. You know her?
Yes, I do.
You don't know her?
I said yes, I do.
Yes.
Okay, you know her. So she give you her phone, according to what she talk to help her collect whether na BVN and everything what you do with the phone. All of a sudden, she know they get alert again. According to how, they will not check the bank statement. Over 1 point something million come out. And now you handle the phone. Then the bank manager come to say, I go pay half. She go lose half. How come up till now on her bank, Access Bank for Bagada, never paid this woman her 1.something million naira? What you hear from your own side, madam? What really happened?
I don't have anything to say about this. Presently, the case is in police station, and the bank is also on the case. She has a lawyer, and we also have a lawyer.
Okay, you also, but I also have a lawyer.
On this same case. So if there's anything she needs, she should come to the bank. She already knows where the case is right now.
Okay, so where is the case, man?
Where is the case? Just, yeah.
Please educate us. Hello, ma.
Hello, I can hear you.
Yeah, we're asking, where is the case, ma?
She knows. She should come to the bank. If there's anything, you can also come with her. So if there's any other thing you want
Madam,
to
she has been to the bank a couple of times, and I know they answer her. So even the bank manager, I know they answer her. And yesterday, they don't transfer the bank manager. Because we're worried. How come 1.something million naira come off her account when you collect her phone, or I change her phone number according to what she testified to us here? And then you tell us that the case there, where is the case, ma?
Please, I don't have any other thing to say about this.
Okay.
If you're interested in the case, you can come to the bank, please.
Okay, if you're interested in the case, we should come to the bank.
Yeah.
Okay, man, no problem. It's fine. We have heard you. I just want to let you know that was FM Lagos were interested in this case.
Particular case.
We'll come with the appropriate channel.
Very much.
And
Thank
the,
you.
and the wherewithal,
Thank
so
you,
that,
patience.
make una know.
And help us to also inform
The manager.
neighbor Maxwell Chineberry that he should also get ready, sir. Thank you. Well done. So she remember the verse. If them say na PM, they always come me that. This one made me the verse. They made me the verse.
They diplomatic.
So the case. Which case is somewhere? Because all of us see what I'm going to intimidate. I'm going to intimidate for Lagos. If this case, that the last case I'll do for Lagos, I die put for this case. Wallahi. Which kind of rubbish with that one now?
They use diplomacy.
No, maybe the verse. Which kind of diplomacy?
My concern here really. That's what I be like. We hear from the bank manager.
Bank manager don't they pick coin, don't don't transfer. Let me so. They don't transfer bank manager now.
I don't transfer. Make you see again whether.
I beg those who know Access Bank Bagada. Thank God, sir. Even know the Oga Pata self. The Oga Pata self. I even know. I don't know what they call this people self. Those who know Access Bank Bagada. Tell those of them when get the liver to the Tiff customer people their money. Tell them say their cup full. Oh yes.
The number supposed to go and I'm gonna see whether
what sort of this is that? You know how much they collect from my account steady that because I they keep quiet. And because of me, they keep quiet, they say, I beg you.
If not that, tomorrow not go that side. If not, that's that one then another chapter. In fact, that one a book. All those their charges, bank charges, that one another matter.
All those one, some of them don't even charge the anything. Go just come up here from my account. I'll come ask them, what happened here? They don't feel explain.
Nobody they feel explain. I don't go sit down with them one day like this now. I don't want to mention that back.
Please, so at this point in time, sir,
they come me.
They should also play the CCTV where they're gonna come out. Please, I want to appeal. Joga for DSS, Oga, will they call on you, sir? Oga for police, will they call on you? Oga for EFCC, will they call on honor? For this matter, Nigerians are suffering. Make we use this woman or take sense of people example. Because I go hear from our backyard, we go reach out to Oga for EFCC, the one waiting for the Oga DSS, because this matter is serious fraud.
Chook out. Wazobia 95.1 Wazobia.